Welcome to my channel Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I'd like to show you how I make these cakes. This very popular cake in Poland. I make this cake for Easter. Cake called Mazurek. I have so much fun and I hope you enjoy. 6 cups of flour. Butter will be 1 stick, 113 grams. Sugar, 3 cups. 4 eggs, honey, 6 tablespoons, and baking powder, 4 teaspoons. Now I will combine all ingredients. Mazurek is a very popular Easter cake. This is great cake. Actually, our whole family can decorate and have fun. I make this Mazurek Easter cake every year before the Easter. Usually I make more and just stick in the freezer to enjoy another time. The dough is done. Next part. I will divide the dough and roll. Make the oval shape. Next part, make the side for my cake. You can make any shape you prefer. Make simple one. I'll work another one. The dough is done and now I will bake in the oven, 350 degrees. The cake is done. Now it's time to decorate. 2 sticks of butter, powdered sugar. I'm adding cream of wheat slowly. Almond extract, 2 teaspoons. It's a topping, the caramel, for this recipe I need 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 3 tablespoons of Dulce de Leche I just made from condensed milk. Excellent addition to my Mazurek. The butter is pretty soft. It will be very easy, quick mix. Just try. Oh, it's a great recipe. I'll add 1 more spoon of this rich and delicious Dulce de Leche. A little bit, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. It's done. The Mazurek cake is done. If you like this video, make sure you give me thumb up. Please like, share and comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make new recipe once a week. And I wish you all very happy Easter. Wesołych i pogodnych świąt wielkanocnych. Thank you for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. And see you soon.